keep his garbage personality. I mean, literally, not figure. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Okay. Step 1 for the pancakes. New safe mode. They need to divorce. Mean. Divorce. Alright, she's gonna be like, Bob, we raised a beautiful daughter together. Wow, divorcing Bob when he's like on the other side. Oh, excuse me, I have the hiccups. That's so sad. And then she's happy because there's snow. I'm like, it's been so long since I played this. I'm like, how did the controls work again? Okay. And then this house will need to be, redone, but I don't think they would live here anymore. So we're just going to manage and save. And oh, excuse me. Okay. I'm like, these hiccups are violent. Okay. And then, oh, excuse me. Oh man, people are moving in. Hold on, I need to change that. Okay, gameplay. Oh gosh. Disable. Fill empty homes, no. Oh, excuse me, apply changes. It has been so long since I've had hiccups like this. I am so sorry, but I don't know who you are. I didn't want you out of my game. Evict. Get out. Excuse me. I'm gonna have to go in and delete all these random townies, but we'll give him this lot. And then, oh, excuse me. Let's go ahead and create a new household. You're gonna be on your own. Seriously. I'm just gonna wait for another one. Oh my god. They're so violent. Stop! Oh my gosh. Okay. So we're gonna move Bob in here. Does he have any money? Oh gosh. He's got no money. How did that happen? I guess I can. I guess it doesn't matter. I guess I can I'll do free real estate and I'll give him like 10 grand. Actually, let's fix the house first. We can do it after. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna demolish this. Oh my gosh. Goodbye. And we'll demolish this. Now I haven't done an off-the-grid house. I haven't done an off-the-grid house, but oh my gosh. And I'm kind of debating on doing it now. What would it look like if I did it? I kind of want this area to be like a cool eco. Clothing optional. Where is the off-the-grid? This lot isn't connected to meaning no utility bills. It's all about natural living. No. I I don't know about that. Okay, you know what I think it is? I think the controls, game camera. How did I do it last time? Wait, oh no. Oh no, I hit a button I didn't mean to. Oh no. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, let's, excuse me. There we go. Oh my gosh. Yep, there we go. Okay, cool. Actually, can we invert this? Oh gosh. Invert horizontal. Yeah, horizontal. I'm like, horizontal, vertical. Okay. Yeah, there we go. That's so much better for me. Okay. So, just thinking, let's look at some bungalow style housing. Oh, excuse me. Okay, we're gonna pull this up. We're gonna go to Pinterest. Oh, excuse me. Close. Bungalow house design, because I kind of want to do that for this area, like some cool little like bungalowy styled houses. Ooh, this is interesting. Okay, these are nice. They're very similar to what is currently in the game. So like if we look around here, we can see that currently that's kind of the vibe we're going with here. And from the description in the video where it says it is Foundry Cove, lots of character, residents enjoy, oh my gosh, residents enjoy modest homes. I kind of like that idea. Let's look at canal homes. I'm like, we could do some like homes by the canal. But can you even see it from the... Oh gosh, wow. No, it's just like a... Okay. Well, the houses around them are like bungalow. So I think we'll stick to the bungalow style. Wow. I might as well change the style too. The pancakes are divorced.